let's start with the espresso. Always give it a nice little stir, and let's see how it tastes. That's actually pretty balanced. It has pretty good body, and that is really not a bad espresso. Next, we're gonna try the pour over. Pour it nice and high. Always let your coffee cool down a bit. It really brings all the notes out. There's some clarity there. And the flavor profile is present. So overall, really not a bad little grinder. I would actually recommend this for anyone who's getting into the coffee game. Remember, life is beautiful.